Hello and welcome to yet another episode of the Cook With Me playlist. And this is a playlist where we basically cook an entire meal from scratch. And on today's menu, we have some pilau, some veggies, and some salad. So these are the list of ingredients that I have for today's recipe. And I have about 4 or 5 more pilau recipes. You should definitely check them out and also try them during this Christmas holiday. And I'm pretty sure you're going to love them. So these are the list of ingredients that I have for today. And for my pilau recipe, I'll need some oil. I have some salt. This is my pre-boiled meat. 1 glass of rice, my pilau mix, my onions, my garlic paste, and my ginger paste. Then for the veggies, I have some blanched cauliflower and some peas. That's a mixture, so I'm just going to steam them a little bit with some onions. And for my kachumbari, I have only these 3 ingredients. And this idea, I got it from some other guy mwenye alikuwa anauza samosa mwitu, and it was such a legit recipe. I decided I have to try out this, and you'll only need some carrots, tomato, and some pili pili. And without further ado, let's get started. As usual, pilau iko fiti. So let's dig into this, and it's a vibe. They are perfectly crunchy, and this has been chilling in the fridge for about 20 minutes, so I bet it's cool. Wow. Wow. Wow, this is so good. This is a combination you definitely want to try out. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed, and I also hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Try this recipe, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.